Assalamualaikum grade 9 students. Hope you are all fine. Today we will read chapter number 1 of computer science. The name of chapter number 1 is Fundamental of Computer. Today's our topic is Role of Computer. Computer plays important role in modern society and it has changed in many ways. It is the best invention ever made in the history of modern technology. It has brought advancement in various fields of life. There are some important points of role of computer. 1. Uses of computers in various fields. 2. Careers in information technology IT. Now we learn about the uses of computers in a various fields like education, business, defense, media, manufacturing, etc. What is the uses of computer in education field? Role of computer in education has been given a lot of importance in the recent years. Computer technology is the process of learning. Many programs are available for students to learn the subjects of physics, mathematics, chemistry, biology, etc. Multimedia software makes the process of learning interactive and interesting. It combines text, graphics, sound, and video for the effective learning. Internet has information on a wide variety of subjects. Uses of computers in business. Computers are used in all types of business as shown in figure 1.20 to improve productivity. They help in the running business activity efficiently. They are used to prepare business documents, reports, charts, presentations, invoices, etc. They help in staying in contact with employees and customers. The following are some important business areas where computers are used. Uses of computers in defense. There are various applications of computers technology in defense. Computers are used in tanks, planes, and ships to target enemy forces. They help in tracking missiles and destroying them. Modern defense weapons and other equipment are controlled by computers. Computers are used for designing and testing of weapons. What is the uses of computer in media? Computers have lot of applications in printed and electronic media. Print media refers to mass communication through printed materials. Computers technology helps in preparation and production of newspapers, magazines, booklets and brochures, flyers, press release and books. Electronic media refers to broadcast media that includes radio broadcast, cable and satellite television broadcast and the new age media like internet and mobile devices. Computer is used for television broadcasting as shown in figure 1.22. What is the uses of computers in manufacturing? Nowadays, computer technology is widely used in manufacturing industry. It has improved the accuracy, quality and speed of manufacturing. Computers are used for product design and automations of manufacturing process in factories as shown in figure 1.23. This is known as computer-aided design (CAD) and computer-aided manufacturing (CAM). CAD involves the uses of computers, hardware and graphics software to create product designs. CAM involves the uses of computer in planning and management of production operation. It helps in automatically producing finished products. CAD/CAM technology has been applied in many industries including automobile, electronics machine, components, textile, fashion, etc. Now we learn about the careers in information technology IT. Information technology IT refers to any related to computing technology such as networking, hardware, software, the internet or the people that work in these technologies. Software engineer. Software engineer is a highly skilled person in the field of IT whose responsibilities involves the analysis, design, implementation and maintenance of computer software. Software engineers can be further classified into programmers and system analysts. Programmer. Computer programmers are IT professionals who have extensive knowledge and expertise in program languages. Computer programmers write programs to solve problems related with the business, education, engineering, government offices, hospital, entertainment, etc. System analyst. System analysts analyze the data processing requirements of organization and develop information system to implement them. They investigate problem, plan solutions, and recommended the type of hardware and software required for implementing the solution. Hardware engineers. Hardware engineers design and manufacturing computer hardware. Their work also involves repair and maintenance of computer hardware. They have in-depth knowledge of internal work of computers, processors, circuit boards, and other electronic equipment. Network administrator. Network administrators are responsible for installation, configuration, and maintenance of the computer network in organization. They are in charge of maintenance of computer hardware and software that make up a computer network. Database administrator. Database administrator is a person who is responsible for the design, implementation, and maintenance of database in an organization. He is also responsible for maintaining security and monitoring the performance of database. Web designer. Web designer is a person who is job to plan and create website. He designs web pages that include text, images, sound, video, clips, and make the website interactive. HTML, hypertext markup language, is the most commonly used language for creating website. Multimedia designer. Multimedia designers are people who organize and present information in an easy to understand and attractive manner. They combine text, graphics, animation, audio, and video. Multimedia designers create digital images and arrange them in sequence for animation using computer software. They have the skill to edit and manipulate audio video files. They usually work in film, TV industry, computer software companies, and advertising companies. Information security analyst. Information security analyst is a person whose job to protect information and information system from unauthorized access, use, modification, recording, or destruction. He implements procedures and policies to ensure information security with the organization. Computer teacher. Computer teachers teach the subjects of computer science to students to make them computer literate. He conducts lessons on how to operate a computer and the working principles of concept of computer hardware. He also teaches how to develop computer programs using various programming languages.